embarrassing.
Hi.
Hi. And it always gets caught on my hair. Now, my mother told me to cut my hair.
And you didn't listen.
Thank you, Jeremy. These kids have seen the show so many times. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Music. But you should always listen to your mothers.
No.
Now you're in trouble, Jeremy. So, now, the great reveal. See, this goes... Oh, man. Oh, that feels so good. Ta-da! That's the first time I got the clap. Uh-oh. I have a little problem. My storyteller has fallen asleep. Bill, wake up. That's good. But it didn't work. I'm getting really confused. I'm getting really confused. Maybe if you made noises all together and you guys yelled at Bill, a crescendo on the percussion, a yelling from the audience, and... Get down and boogie. Hey Bill, all these people have come to hear a story. He likes stories. Do you know who's going to tell it? You should. You are. Bill, you have to tell the story. You're the only one that knows it. Oh, man. Bill, is there any way that you would tell the story? What would you like me to do to tell the story, Bill? Go to the tree. Tree. What tree?
The back of you?
The back of me, thank you. That? Oops. It's a tree. That's a tree. You'll tell the story if I put... What do I do now? Put the tree on my head. You want me to put that tree on my head? But, Bill, I'll look ridiculous with a tree on my head. I won't look ridiculous with that tree on my head.
I've already seen it on your head.
Yeah? Well, I may not look ridiculous, but... Oh, I'm going to feel ridiculous. Oh, man. I was wrong! You do look ridiculous! Just tell the story, Bill! Okay. This is the story of the Ugly Duckling, told with puppets. Once upon a time, in a pond out near the eastern townships, a mother duck hatched a batch of fuzzy-wuzzy ducklings. Quack, 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 quack. They bobbled up and down in the water, trying to get their mom to join them. Quack, 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 quack. Woo! But Mom had one more egg to hatch. she waited. Do-de-do-de-do-de-do-de-do. And she waited. Do-de-do-de-do-de-do-de-do. She waited and waited and waited. Why? She was about to bag the whole deal when... Whoa! There was a shaking and a quaking. Whoa! Aren't you cute? And a moving and a grooving. Whoa! Stop! Holy doodle, settle down. And suddenly, pooing! Out popped the ugliest duckling in the whole wide world. No! Quack, 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 quack. Hey, fella, you look like a real Goomba. Come on, guys, let's ham-squade. Quack, 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 quack. Woo! Oh, yeah? Well, your mother wears hip waders. That's my mother, too. Go jump up a tree, turkey lips. Now, Ugly may have been ugly, but he sure wasn't stupid. I don't think. Watch it, buddy. And he decided he wasn't going to let a bunch of fuzzy yellow quackers ruin his life. No. So, you packed your suitcase and you ran away. Pack my suitcase? I don't have a suitcase. Who's stupid? No. Okay, you ran away. That's better. Hit the road, check. And don't you come back to no. Uh-oh! I seem to be stuck out on a limb. What am I going to do? Oh, I know. Mr. Tree, would you help me, please? Yeah, I guess so. What would you like me to do? Would you be a real deer and put me on that hillside? Well, I'm actually a tree, but yeah, I'll put you on that hillside, but you have to do something for me. I do? What's that? Would you tell me a joke, please? A joke? I am teetering on the edge of doom, and you want a joke? Yes, please. No, I haven't been around very long. I don't know many jokes. Psst, psst, psst. Tell him the one about the hockey stick. The hockey stick. This'll slay you, buddy. Why did the little boy take his hockey stick up the maple tree? Well, I don't know. You have me stumped. Good one, eh? Why did the little boy take his hockey stick up the maple tree? He wanted to join the Maple Leafs. Well, why would he want to do that? He won't get to work till next January. Oh, okay, it's a joke. Meow. Thanks, Mr. Tree.